Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to delete your Google search history in your PC or laptop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your web browser and here search for My Activity. And in the first link you will see Welcome to My Activity and click on it. And make sure that you have logged in with the Gmail in which you want to delete your search history. For example, I want to delete my search history from this email, so I have already logged in. And after that, you have to search for search and press enter. And here you can see all your search history is available. So if I want to delete my this search history, I will simply click on cross button and this will be deleted. And similarly, if I want to delete this one, and I will click on cross icon. So in this way you can delete your search history one by one. But if I want to delete all at once, then you can click on delete activity by. And here you can select select the time in which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete last hour, then I will click on last hour and you can select last day or all the time. For example, I want to delete last hour my activity, I will click on it and click on delete now and it will be deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete your Google Chrome search history in your Windows PC or laptop. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.